Ijele na ndị otu ya ejegokwanụ n'ihu House of Assembly wee na-ayọ aka na-achị Naịjirịa bụkwanụ Tinubu na ya biko na ya gbatalụ ndị Igbo ọsọ enyemaka na fanidiri ngwa agha ngwa ọgụ anyị eji wee nụso ndị ESN na ndị IPOB na ndị onnongomen ọgụ na ya nyefa ngwa agha na ya bụ ife na steeti anyị emenwe ife dị na ya na fanidiri enyemaka ya unu ya abịa ka unu nụrụkwa n'ife ọ gwara Tinubu na si nyedebe Nnamdi Kanu ntaramahụhụ nke a na-enye ka enyekwana ya nke anụ o kwuru unu ya abịa nnọọ ka unu nụrụ ya n'ọnụ ya na ọ bụ okwu n'ọnụ m ka o ya eti wee pụta.
My people, like I told you, we'll be at the National Assembly today for our rally to tell our president, and we are hereby pleading with President Asiwaju Bola Ahmed Tinubu to please hearken to our cry. We are here begging for the extension of the operation, the ongoing JTF operation in Imo State, also LGA, and it will also cover Anambra, because you can't fix Imo without fixing Anambra simultaneously. Also, and the Ihiala are interconnected. Sometimes you don't even know where one local government ends and where the other one begins. And these criminals, one thing they did was targeting all these cross-state line LGAs, border LGAs, or how do you call it? Sorry, I'm losing my receipt. So they are exploiting that miscommunication or lack of communication between states in Igbo to target all those places. You look for them here, they move over to other places. And we want the army, please, the chief of army staff, we are begging, we are pleading, let the soldiers stationed in Anambra rise up to the occasion and do their job. With no disrespect to all the boys fighting, trying to clear our communities, we do all due respect to all the people fighting over there. We don't like the way most of them in Anambra State are performing, honestly, because these criminals are in Asia working freely and no one is doing anything to them. Amaduri in Osumoru is now a complete base and abode for them. We can't allow our communities to be taken over by these stars. These crooks have been there for at least the last 6 years. For how long are we going to allow them? And they believe they can wait it out. They believe they can wait out the government. But I don't know how they will have better resources by going, which they don't. And we know there are our politicians who are working behind the scene to undermine the efforts of the operatives working in Imo and Anambra. Many of them, without these boys, they have no political future. Their political future and their stomach is tied jointly with the destinies of these criminals. We know that even many of our top people, top officers in the military, this is not just mere silence. Many of them are going as far as even giving these people money. We don't want to mention people's names, but they know their names. I'm talking about people from Njaba LGA, people from Bitolu LGA, and the surrounding communities. Please, Mr. President, do not listen to anybody that is saying anything other than the clearance of our bushes, the elimination of these criminals. Please, there will never be any amnesty program. I personally, when they started this nonsense, contacted me. I told them there is nothing like Biafra anywhere. They opened their mouths and told me that whether Biafra comes or not, that I should check how much they spent on the Niger Delta Amnesty Program, that will be making money from it. That means from onset, they know exactly what they are looking for. That's why we are telling Mr. President, there shall be no amnesty. 20% of any money that will be wasted on the so-called amnesty will be enough to clear all these things. We are not drawing a line. There is no red line. Nobody is above being liquidated. If they are found wanting, politicians or not, we don't care where you are in Nigeria, we'll deal with all of them, Mr. President. We just need the order, the go ahead, and we will solve this issue ourselves. We are not going to keep waiting for them. They don't speak for us. Anybody that is meeting the idea of amnesty is not speaking for us. If there are people that will decide how this will end, it will be the communities and the victims themselves. As for the criminal Nnamdi Kanu that started this thing, please, on appeal, upgrade his sentence to death sentence. This is the only way this thing stops. This is the only way no one will come out again and repeat this rubbish. Ojukwu was left off the hook. That's why we have Uwazurike. Uwazurike was left off the hook. That's why we have Nnamdi Kanu. If this one is not punished, maximum 1 generation, that's what it will take, another criminal will come and waste our youth again. Waste the lives of innocent people. We don't want this. None of them can come openly and debate us on this issue because they know the truth is not on their side. Please, ultimately, we want the establishment of a military base in Osun, and that Mother Valley covers both Imo and Anambra states. The only way we do it is either a military base or a training school. It could even be used for special forces training because of the terrain. In warfare, we don't know what's going to happen tomorrow. But anyone trained inside that place, if you can surmount that place, that terrain, there is no place you cannot operate exceptionally in Nigeria. Please, Mr. President, we are begging the NSA, the Joint Chiefs, we are pleading with you. We need resources. Most importantly, we need bulldozers to clear all these mines. So many people, please now, so many people are very afraid of releasing their bulldozers. And if you don't have those things, it will be hampering all our efforts. And there is nothing you can do if you don't clear all those mines. Please, we are pleading. All the materials needed should be provided. This is bigger than states. No state can afford this. How much is the security vote that you will run such an operation for 6, 7, 8 months? How much will be left for education, for agriculture, and the rest? Welfare of the teachers, all the funds being spent here could have been spent on teachers' welfare, doctors' welfare, and other civil servants. We are pleading, please let there be a massive support, a massive investment from the federal government, and we'll clear this.
Join, Andy, join. Come.
I'm getting this one.
Declare.